Welcome back, students. I am Dr. Uma V. Pujar, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College and PG Center, Dharwad. So today we shall solve one more problem on cost sheet. So let us see the problem. So this is the problem which I am going to solve today here. That is, we have to prepare cost sheet. This is 2019 question paper asked from KEUD, Karnataka University, Dharwad for 5 marks. PMS Company Limited produced 1000 units of commodity for the year ended 31/3/2019. The cost details are as under. Direct materials consumed rupees 80,000, direct wages rupees 70,000, chargeable expenses rupees 10,000, works on cost 100% of direct wages, administrative expenses rupees 980, selling and distribution overhead is at rupees 2 per unit. The company expects 25% profit on sales. Prepare cost sheet and profit. So let us do this now. So this is the format of the cost sheet. So let us do it one by one. So first of all, we have to take direct materials. So the very first point is direct materials. That is given as 80,000 and the number of units produced is 10,000 units. When we divide this 80,000 by this 1,000 units, we get CPU, that is 80 rupees. So let us write here as 80 rupees. And next point is direct wages. We have to take according to the format of cost sheet. The next point is direct wages. So it's given here as 70,000 rupees, 70,000, and we divide it with 1,000 units, it comes to 70 rupees. So there is one more expenses given here, that is chargeable expenses, means it is direct expenses. We have to take it here only, direct expenses, direct or chargeable expenses, that is 10,000 rupees. And when we divide it with 1,000 units, it comes to 10 rupees. So when we add this all, it comes to 1,60,000 and it comes to 160 rupees. So what is this now? This is prime cost. Prime cost. And the next point given in the problem is works cost is 100% of direct wages. You can see in the problem there, add factory overhead, add factory or wages overhead. Sorry, works overhead. It's not wages, works overhead. Works overhead. So what's given? It is 100% of direct wages. So 100% means 100 upon 100 into what is direct wages? Direct wages is rupees 70,000. So it remains as 70,000 itself. Take here as 70,000. So this comes to 70 again. So when we add this, it comes to 2,30,000. And this comes to 230,000. rupees. So what is this? This is your works cost. Works cost. These are the main heads in the cost sheet. And the next point we are going to add is administrative overhead. So administrative overhead is given as 980 rupees. So we have to add all the costs here. Add administrative or office overhead. Administrative overhead. It's given as 980 rupees. So when we divide it with 1000 units, that is 1000 units are being produced, so we have to divide it. When we add all these together, it comes to 2,30,980, and this comes to 230 rupees 980 98. So this is cost of production, COP, cost of production. And the next is add. Now here you can see in the problem here, the cost of, see, you can see here, units produced are 1000 units, and if nothing is given about the sales, they have not given anything about what are the sales made by the company, whether the 1000 units or less than 1000 units is being not given. So we have to assume that 1000 units are produced and 1000 units are sold. So let us take selling and distribution overhead here as 1000 rupees. So it's given here 1000 selling and distribution overhead is at rupees 2 per unit. So how many units are sold? Those things are to be taken here in this part. So selling and overhead will add here, add selling and distribution overhead. It's given as rupees 2 per unit. So how many units are produced? 1000 units are produced into rupees 2. So it comes to 2000, and this is already given 2 per unit. Take it as it is. So when we add this 2,32,980 and this 232.98, so what is this? This is cost of sales. Cost of sales. So now let's see what's given in the problem now. The company expects 25% profit on sales. So the company expects 25% on sales. Let's do this. 25% on sales. So next point we are going to add is profit. That is profit, and the last one we are going to get is, that is sales. So now how to calculate profit? So 25% on sales they have given, so we don't know the sales now. So if sales is not given, what to do? So if sales is not given, we have to take it as 25 divided by 75. So we have to make it round 100% here. Into, we have to take cost. Cost is 2,32,980. So if you do this, you will come up the profit figure. Let us see, 25 divided by 75 into 2,32,980. So it comes around 77,660. 77,660. 77,660. So when we divide it with 1,000, it comes to 77.67. So let us add all this: 0, 3,10,640. This comes to 310 rupees 65 paise. So this is how we come at the profit figure. So this is the format of cost sheet, and we have prepared the cost sheet. So with another problem, I'll be meeting you tomorrow. Until then, have a nice time. Bye bye.